Now, good morning. In English news from Local Smart News channel and YouTube and ours with the head of the Bihar. The Sudarshan TV channels now we starts the breaking news only concerning the Bihar and the level of the nationals. First news: the India the logs one day rise of the 70,421 COVID cases, the lowest in the 74 days. 3,921 deaths the registered in the past 24 hours only. If you just a report, India the recorded the single day rise of the 70,421 the new COVID-19 cases, the lowest in 74 days, the taking the countries the inspection the tally to 2,95,10410, while the count of the active the cases the fell with down the 10 lakhs after over 2 months, according to the Union Health Ministry, the data uploaded on the Monday. The second news, the very important news, the level of the nationals and Bihar, 5 LPG MPs, the terms, the Chirag, the elect Paras as their the prize. Patna news, just the political script being the written in the Lok Jan Shakti Party and means the LGP since the announcement of the Bihar Assembly the election last year, they reached the climax with the COP in the party the Sunday night. 5 of the 6 the Lok Sabha the members of the LJP the termed the party, the president and Jamui MP Chirag Paswan under the leadership of the Hajipur MP the Pasupatinath Paras, the brother of the party, the founder late Ram Vilas Paswan. Now third news, the AAP party of the Delhi to contest the all seated in the 2022 the election in the Gujarat and concerning the crime, the 20 lakhs looted in the separate incident in state. Now other the breaking news, the important news, the Patliputra bus the terminal to be the thrown open for the public today, the Patna, very important that place concerning the conveyance by the bus. Now second just start the Patliputra bus terminal to be the thrown open the public today. Patna, the state of the art Patliputra bus terminal at the Rama Chowk, the Peria here will be the thrown open the public on the Tuesday. International bus service, the places like the Jamui, Nalanda, Navada and the Selekpura have been already started from the interstate bus the terminals now sorting the ISBT along with the government of the buses, private buses. The operators will also run the buses on the route. 6 more e-buses to be play on the new routes. Now second, the very important news, just the concerning the COVID-19, after one disease become the knowledge, like the black fungus. Black fungus claimed the 76 lives in the state as a report. As many the 76 out of the 562 the patients suffering from the mycorrhizomycosis or the black fungus in the state. The state they have the died so far. The cumulative the falsities the rate of the mycorrhizomyces at the 30.5%, while the recovery rate they stood at the 17.7%, as more than the 100% have been discharged from the health the facilities so far. As per said, the first black fungus are the reporting at the maximum from the Gopalganj. Now then the second place is Patna. Now all the governments in this on the black fungus the surveillance. Next to be next news, the concerning our the superstar Sushant Singh Rajput the concerning a year on and tomorrow, the Congress NCP questions the CBI on Sushant case. एक report Congress and NCP on the Monday they expressed the shock and surprise over the failure of the central failure of the CBI concerning the disclose the cause of the death and actor Sushant Singh Rajput, who died in the year back. Mumbai police the contended that the Sushant Singh died by the suicide, while NDA government said it was not and entrusted in the probe to CBI. Now this is the some important the breaking news concerning Bihar and national news. Again, we will try to must to carry an important news in added in the morning news either any time the any time of the day. Just will meet you tomorrow A to Z nationals and my all the Bihars the public to from myself. Jai Hind.